Hi everybody, Judy Parcell here. I wanted to show you a project I did this afternoon. This is called a pocket card, and I created it by printing out the 8.5 by 11, one of my Zendoodle patterns, and then I folded up the cardstock about a third high, and I drew all these flowers on the back, and then I created these little things to go in here. Now what's in here are pockets, and if you fold this down and you just take a little tiny stream of white glue here and here and on the very edge here, because you don't want it open, and one here, it creates pockets. And then you have, when you open this card, you have little things you can pull out, like a bird, or a cat, or a butterfly. Then I sewed a button, but because this is paper, I used a reinforcing button there, and then I closed it and sewed another button on the front. The last piece was ribbon, which I tie to secure it so it doesn't flap open. And because this button is sewed on and has some space underneath it, I literally can tie it together down underneath here. Okay, come on. And then tie at the beginning of the bow. You know how to tie shoes, so same idea. And then this first thing should secure the ribbon. Then you're free to tie the bow. And there we go. Come on, there you go. Now I want to talk to you a little bit about this. This is a card, and if you wanted to make this and give it to a friend or a family member, you need an envelope to mail it in, and what I recommend is a 6 by 6, and you probably have to order these special. And when you order them, and you get ready to go down to the post office, and you've tucked this inside the envelope, the postmaster will do this, say, oh, there's something lumpy in there. And it's a square envelope, so this is special handling. And this might cost you about $1 to send. So, I just love these pocket cards because I consider them interactive. The person has something they can do once they get in the card. They got to untie it. They've got to relate to it in some way. So this was a lot of fun to make, and I want to thank you for coming to my studio and letting me share this with you, and you have a wonderful day.